not sleeping. It knows you are dreaming. It knows mosquito is biting. When mosquito bite on the hand when you are deep sleep, you just throw your hand like this. It's called reflex action in science. Reflex action. Without your awareness, body also reacts sometimes. That's called reflex action. So, when you are sleeping also, somebody is not sleeping inside you. That is called prajna or awareness. Okay? This is a difference between last three limbs. Last three limbs is called internal yoga, antaranga yoga. That is the real Raja Yoga. The first four limbs are a part of Hatha Yoga also. So you read in your room. Any questions? Don't ask to me. Okay? Everything is explained. So yesterday you were absent and you also were absent. There's a plan. Okay. They are sitting together. I said it's a plan. Because if school asking me give attendance register, the previous course I put A full A with the Karan. You are absent every class, so it's very easy to remember if you don't come every day.
I don't plan to miss any one of your class anymore.
Yeah, but no. I have to. Yesterday was 20. Am I right? 20 December. Yes. So, if school asks, I remember you were absent yesterday only.
Okay.
Only one day. So here, this is the way. Now we talk about something else. Another topic. We start another topic for next week. So any questions? Ask a question.
No question.
Questions can be asked in two ways. If you understand everything, you will not ask any question. If you understand nothing also, you will not ask question. You think a man sitting in chair and with a mic and he is talking something. Question? Any topic, yoga related, not this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why is it said that enlightened people don't want to come back to the next life? Why do they choose to stay outside of the world?
What?
That's
Enlightened.
according to their choice. Lot of people come back. Somebody come back to same body. They extend the lifespan of body. But somebody never come back because somebody see their good bodies. They can take any bodies, any country. And
It's not my phone. Is it your
my
phone?
phone?
It's your phone. It's your phone.
My phone.
Okay. So somebody, why don't come back is the moment you get a body. In Bible say body is a sin, am I right? Bible I read somewhere. Body is a sin.
Yeah.
The moment you get body, it's a sin because all the suffering come through body. So without body also, you have many bodies. According to philosophy, you have physical body, astral body, causal body, many yogic chinmaya body, conscious body. So yogi can stay even in astral body. Astral body, you have a lot of profit. You can save a lot of money. You know why? No need to eat. No need to go to toilet. If you want to go to America, you get any flight, they will not see you. No visa, no passport. It's a lot of benefits. So, body is a suffering according to philosophy. So, if you get a body, if you don't know how to maintain it, better don't get a body. Without body also they can work. So, not all the people. But then, not if he's telling why people don't want to live, why samadhi. But then that way, all the spirituality are the practical aspect, am I right? Yoga should teach you how to live properly. But if you see everything, you will not attach it to small things. Body is a small thing. In Bhagavad Gita, you know why this is called a building? You know why this is called building?
What?
Building.
No, in India, construction never finishes. If you, otherwise you call it built, not building. Yeah, 6 years back also construction was going on. I am coming this school after 6 years, 2010. I was taking the entire my classes here. That time this room was not there. If I come after 5 years, there will be 2 more floors. So if you
They're still building.
yeah, if you can see on the road from coming to Delhi or Dehradun, road work on progress, please go slow. If you come 20 years also, same board will be there. Because we start only work, we never finish it. It's called building. Never built. Building. So, so if you see lot of big things, you will not attach it to small things. Am I right? So in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, "Oh Arjuna, death and birth is like changing the old clothes and buying it another one. In my locker, if I have 10 pieces like this new one, I will not cry for if it get bad. I will just dump it to any dustbin or give it to poor people. Same way, a yogi will leave the body. We don't know other lives. That's why we are crying. Oh, I will die. If yogis can see their past lives, future lives, so they will not grieve for holding one body. They can go to any bodies. So this is one reason. So there are a lot of reasons. And the answer only yogis know. Why? I don't know. They only know why. So most of the people come back for the salvation of the society. That's why we have yoga like things. Everybody in samadhi go with their technology. We don't have yoga. We have yoga. It means yogis come back and teach us something good. That's why we have yoga here, meditation and everything. Any questions, please? It was a very good question. Yeah. Any questions, Japan? What we are discussing is in your manual 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You have to read in your book. Yeah.